I'm Shilpa. Internet of Things has many applications, but today I'm discussing few of the IoT applications. So let's start with one by one. Smart home. Whenever we think of IoT systems, the most important and efficient application that stands out is the smart home, ranking the highest IoT application on all channels. The number of people searching for smart homes increases every month by about 60,000 people. Another interesting thing is that the database of smart homes for IoT analytics includes 256 companies and startups. More companies are now actively involved in smart homes as well as similar applications in the field. The list of startups includes prominent startup company names such as AlertMe or Nest, as well as a number of multinational corporations like Philips, Haier, like that. Examples of IoT applications in the field of smart home are central AC, lights and curtains, central heating, background music, air control, smart media, smart appliances, safeguards, etc. Let's move to the next application, smart wearables. Just like smart homes, wearables remain a hot topic among potential IoT. Every year, consumers all across the globe await the release of the latest smartwatch. Apart from this, there are plenty of other wearable devices that make our life easy, such as bracelet, skin color tattoo, patch like sensor, smart garments, spectacles. Next one is smart city. Smart city, like its name suggests, is a big innovation and spans a wide variety of use cases, from water distribution, traffic management to waste management and environmental monitoring. The reason why it is so popular is that it tries to remove the discomfort and problems of people who live in cities. IoT solutions offered in the smart city sector solve various city-related problems comprising of traffic, reducing air and noise pollution, helping to make cities safer. Smart grid are another area of IoT technology that stands out. A smart grid basically promises to extract information on the behaviors of consumers and electricity suppliers in an automated fashion to improve the efficiency, economics, and reliability of electricity distribution. Connected cars. This technology is a vast and an extensive network of multiple sensor, antenna, embedded software, technologies that assist in communication to navigate in our complex world. It has the responsibility of making decisions with consistency, accuracy, and speed. It also has to be reliable. These requirements will become even more critical when humans give up control of the steering wheel and brakes to the autonomous vehicle that are being tested on our highways right now. It is categorized into in-vehicle applications and also vehicle-to-vehicle applications. Connected health. It has various applications in healthcare, which are from remote monitoring equipment to advanced and smart sensor to equipment integration. It has the potential to improve how physicians deliver care and also keep patients safe and healthy. Healthcare IoT can allow patients to spend more time interacting with their doctors, which can boost patient engagement and satisfaction. From personal fitness sensor to surgical robots, IoT in healthcare brings new tools updated with the latest technology in the ecosystem that helps in developing better healthcare. IoT helps to revolutionize healthcare and provide pocket-friendly solutions for both the patient and the healthcare professional. Smart retail. Retailers have started adopting IoT solutions and are using IoT embedded systems across a number of applications that improve store operations, increasing purchases, reducing theft, enabling inventory management, enhancing consumers' shopping experience. Through IoT, physical retailers can compete against online challengers more strongly. They can regain their lost market share and attract consumers into the store, thus making it easier for them to buy more while saving money. It mainly focuses improving the customer experience and also optimizing supply chain operation. The last application that I am discussing is smart farming. It is an often overlooked in IoT applications. However, because the number of farming operations is usually remote and the large number of livestock that farmers work on, all of this can be monitored by the Internet of Things and can revolutionize the way farmers operate day to day. But this idea is yet to reach a large scale attention. Nevertheless, it still remains one of the IoT applications that should not be underestimated. Smart farming has the potential to become an important application field, specifically in the agricultural product exporting countries. So this is all for now about applications of IoT technology. Thank you.